Welcome back, heroes and YouTube family. This is Sub-Zero. We're back again at Elite Wraps. We're going to be going ahead and deciding if I want to go and do the dark tint or the lighter tint for the Subaru. So we're going to be doing one side the dark and one side the lighter. And we're going to decide which one I want to go ahead and do. Last video that you guys saw was me doing the headlights in gloss black to really match the front and really just kind of take away some of that yellow and extra color contrast. I really want this to be a full-on black, red and blue with the carbon accents color, especially with the rally wrap that I showed you guys. But anyway, this video is going to be all about us deciding between the two tail lights, and I might go ahead and do the front hood in the black that we kind of briefly teased in the last video. Anyway, if you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the dream, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them your reality. Let's have a great one, guys. Let's get it. Peace. All right, guys, so we're using the tape this time for it because we're doing tint, so we're not doing it as a wrap, so it's a little bit different of a process. So that way he's going to make sure he tapes up the sides so it's not going to go onto the paint of the car. And the tint is going to be applied to the tail light, and he's going to be doing the work from there.
The other thing is just for the tint, like not to stick on the freaking paint, so that will be easy for me to lift it up.
Perfect.
But something like this, this,
yeah, like these.
This will be easy to paint it than to wrap.
That's what I was saying. Like that will just be because it's kind of thick. So that's why I was saying for something like that, it would just be easier to. All right, guys, so this is gonna be the darker side and this is the lighter side. We're gonna be applying the dark side on the right and we're gonna apply the light side on the left. So in case you guys wanna get this done to your tail lights as well, we're gonna apply them both so you can decide between the dark or the light. Make sure you guys go ahead and hit up Elite Wraps. We're over here in Southern California, if you guys are wondering. I'm in the Rosemead area, to be specific, San Gabriel. Make sure you guys hit up Elite Wraps one more time, at Elite Wraps, and they can definitely help you guys out with all things wraps. You saw they did the install on my wing. They also did the install on my wraps, and now they're doing the install on my tints and a whole bunch of stuff. They got lots of cars in here. You guys have seen all the different works going on, so definitely go ahead and hit up Elite Wraps. Dark. Let me get the light on. There we go. Comes out a little bit nicer. Yeah, it's like what they call that smoke, like that limo tint. That's a limo. Woo. Yeah, y'all, this is straight up limo stealth. You don't want no one to see your reverse tail light. Let's do a quick check of the light. Yeah, see, so you guys can see the light through it. So even though it's dark when you guys are driving, you'll still see that. Ooh, that's hard. Hey, from this angle, that looks like a whew. That's kind of tough. But again, we gotta apply it, but it's definitely gonna have a meaner look. Especially if you guys like the satin blacks and the matte black kind of colors. This will definitely go really, really well. All right, just tell the people what you're doing first.
I'm just gonna stretch it right now just to get this curve right here. And
okay.
Then, let's see.
Nice. All right, guys, so you guys can see the two differences, at least between the dark and the stock. It definitely gives a different kind of vibe, because like with the red, you see like that red strip. So you guys can see, even if you do the turn signals, you can still clearly see the turn signals on here. You can still see the tail lights, the brake lights aren't on. So if you guys were wondering if it's gonna be visible, you can see it's very, very visible on the rear. You can still even see the red light on the side right there and the red LED strip. These are the Subispeed red taillights, so they are different than the stock ones, but you can kind of get an idea as the color and how the color will look. Right or left? Which one do you guys like more? So far, right or left?
This is like the only company that actually has like something like this, and
yeah,
their output for off of it is pretty good.
Yeah, that's actually came out really nice. I like the little red little light right
really
there.
See through these ones.
Yeah.
The other tint, it's a lot harder to install, and then also you don't get as much.
Yeah, you can see, especially when it's night.
Yeah.
Here, I can.
You don't get enough visibility out of it.
Let me do this real quick.
Yeah, you don't get enough visibility off of the other one.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of tough. I like that.
Matching the windows.
Yeah, like that. that's pretty tough. And the thing is, because since technically Subispeed has that as a color, if I did go with that one, it's hey, this came from fast. This is how it came from the thing.
You can be doing all your stock taillights.
What?
Your stock taillights.
Yeah.
It's mainly for people with stock taillights.
Yeah, this is. Yeah, that's kind of nice, guys. I gotta be honest, like that. It definitely adds. It makes it just much more meaner on the right. It's gonna be interesting to see, y'all. So this is the regular. This is the super dark, and then we're gonna put the lighter on the left, and then we're gonna decide, guys, which ones we like. Man, that right is pretty. It definitely makes the rear look much more like just aggressive. It just has like that little strip right there. Yeah, that looks pretty tight. Yeah, it's interesting how a tint can make the whole tail light look different.
It really does.
Like even because that little middle piece, you can't really see it the same.
Try doing like dry stuff for it. But then I know you don't have to.
Alrighty guys, so this is how that side is. Now we're about to work on the left side. The little clear is right there. And let's get to it. Yeah, because this came out really good. Like, I'm not sure if you guys can see it on camera, but the quality of this material is really good. Look at that. So crazy how taillights can look so different depending on the color, the tint, the way the material, and just everything. Pretty crazy. Think about.
Like the videos and the how-to. You want to have a last one. You want a good, clean, even laying. That's pretty much what it is.
All right, y'all. So the lighter side and the darker side. I personally think the light side is like the perfect amount of darkness and the perfect amount of looking like it still has that OEM nice look, but it just looks a little bit more meaner, which I think is perfect, especially with the blue. I think the blue, it really matches really well. Like I said, it's not like Murder. Like Murder, She Wrote would be like the right side, but you know, when you're DWB out here, guys, for you don't know, that means driving while black. and you're driving, you're trying not to have too many things to give cops a reason to pull you over. So even though I do love aesthetically, as far as the car show, this more, I think having this as an everyday, I love the meanness of this. Like damn, look at that, oh my gosh, like, oh, kill him, look at that, oh baby, sorry.
You have the option against both ones too?
Yeah, but yeah, look at that, I just think that looks perfect, because like you can still see the designs of everything, but it's not like super light like how it was. That's perfect. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. That is perfect, especially like with the, oh man, oh baby. What do you think?
I like the lighter one.
What's up?
I like the lighter.
That's why I said the lighter one's like perfect, so you can see, like there's no light on right here, so you can still see. Like I think that is perfect.
Oh, it doesn't help because you had a spoiler before.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. Like now, like that I think the left, because it really,
why so much better?
yeah, it really enhances, guys.
Because your taillights were a little darker already, and so that's why it looks so much better.
Yeah, like now you can see that looks, it really now matches like the emblem in the back, the black and the red. Yeah, that looks perfect. Yeah, that looks, yeah, I really, it's so crazy how different that is. Look at this, y'all. Yeah, that's crazy.
See the middle one, and that's why I know they're braking.
All right, so you guys can see this is how it looks in the light. Yeah, like that smoke is. See, if you have a black car, it'd be perfect, or a darker car, but since mine's blue, it just stands out way too much.
You want to press the brake speed?
Oh yeah, that'd be perfect, thanks. So we're gonna do the brake, so we can see the difference. All right, yeah, so the left side, the lighter side, and the right side, the darker side, you guys can see how it's much easier to see on the left. Really matches the car much better. Perfect. Yeah, the lighter side will definitely be a.
It's gonna have like a overall before.
Yeah, because we did the dark and the regular. Now we have the
Yeah, you can put it side by side and then.
All right, guys. So now we got the comparison of the light smoke and the non-smoke. So you guys can see the light smoke versus this. Yeah, I like that light smoke. Just because I have so many black and dark elements of the car,
Yeah,
it kind of just goes well. Yeah, it goes really well. It's interesting because like,
This is a slower day for us.
oh, so it worked out perfectly then.
Yeah. That's why I told you just bring it out anytime.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Thanks.